how to recover Gmail account without verification code. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover Gmail account without verification code. Alright, so let's begin. You try to log into your Gmail account and you forgot your password and you are clicking on forgotten password or you don't remember your recovery email. Please do not click on try again continuously because Google is going to block that account. They will think that someone else wants to log into your Gmail account with another device. So I'm going to tell you what to do in case you don't have access to your phone number or your email address and you cannot enter your verification code. I'm going to show you how to recover your Gmail without verification code. So now all you need to do right now, go to your Google list. So all you need to do is long press on Google and then tap on app info option. So it's going to take you to this interface right now. You go ahead and click on this permission, hit on this permission right now. So you scroll down and hit on this location, hit on location. You scroll down, you go ahead and put it on don't allow. So you click on don't allow anyway. You minimize, you go to your Chrome, hit on your Chrome. Don't just hit on your Chrome. You do the same thing that you did on your Google. After that, you go ahead and click on your settings. You scroll down, click on Google. You go ahead and click on these three dots right here. You click on this help. It automatically take you to this interface. You are going to do in this right now. You go ahead and hit on this search bar and type lost. Then go ahead and hit on this fix common issue with two-step verification lost or stolen phone. We recommend you go ahead and hit on it. Tap on this lost or stolen phone. So here they say we recommend you sign out of the lost or stolen phone. Change your Google account, so you go ahead and scroll down. You tap on this recover your account. You go ahead and click on this recover account. It automatically take you to this interface right here. So you are going to learn from this. They say if you don't have another second step or forgotten your password. So all you need to do, go ahead and hit on this follow the steps to recover your account. So it will automatically bring it to this interface. So all you have to do is enter the lost email that you want to recover. So after entering your email, it will bring you the page where you have to create your new password and your account will be recovered. So that's basically how you can recover Gmail account without verification code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.